Hi everyone. This video I'm going to open box the Alpine PXE-X120-10DP. This is a Alpine DSP with built-in amplifier. So the box is very heavy. As you can see, it's written both Chinese and English. So it's a 12 channel high input DSP, and then with 10 high power output. So let me just open it. It's a very heavy DSP. So this DSP and amplifier is designed to run with perhaps the maybe Type R or maybe the status. The power output is enough to actually power the freeway speaker that the status and Type R. So you have the 2-channel 200 watt, which is about 100 RMS. So you can power the woofer with the status, and then 4-channel with 100 watt. So you can do it with the mid-range or tweeter, or maybe the rear door, and then there are 2 extra one. You can do it with the tweeter or others speaker that you might want to power it, but it does not. Or you can bridge these 2 into a 400 watt to power the subwoofer. So this DSP is actually very practical. So you have it's a very small DSP, and then it can do a lot of things. So we have a warranty card inside here, I believe. Basically just a warranty card, and then it's the DSP itself. So the DSP is very heavy. I think I cannot use word to describe it, but it's very heavy. From my information, it's a Type D, Class D amplifier, built-in amplifier. So it will provide a very good efficiency compared to the Class AB. So let me just open the plastic bag for you guys. So here is the brand new PXE-120 DSP. So we have the high input in here. Oh no, this is actually the power core. So there's a box in here. So you will be able to get the accessory package. So this one is the Bluetooth modules. So you plug it into the DSP, so you can use your phone, connect via Bluetooth, or maybe you use your computer, connect via Bluetooth to do the configuration. It's a very easy and accessible tools to use actually. So, and then you have the cable for the DSP. So this is the mounting plate. So for you to mount, and then you have the cable. So you have a high output cable. I believe this one is the input. So it has 12 channel for the input, and this one is the output. Oh no, sorry. This one is for the input. This one is for the output, because obviously the pin is much larger in here. So this one is a power core. So you have a one remote, one control, and then it uses 6 pin each for the positive and negative. So it takes up quite a lot of energy. So, and then you can see that the fuse in here is a 230 amps fuse. So it would handle 60 amp, and then the high power supply, and then the speaker output. It's very heavy. and then the high input here, or you can have a RCA input directly in here too, and then the rest is just a typical USB, and then you got the Bluetooth here, and it does not come with the controller, so you can use your Bluetooth to control it. I do this all the time for the bass. So that's all for this DSP, and thanks for watching.